So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Windows PC, the Wi-Fi is basically not showing up. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is making sure that your specific hardware of your laptop, whatever you have, making sure that there's no Wi-Fi switches that need to be turned on for your specific Wi-Fi to be enabled. So if there's a little side on the switch of your laptop that shows Wi-Fi or anything like that that's showing a wireless signal, go ahead and make sure that's toggled on, and that's probably going to be the main way that you're going to go ahead and fix this. Now you can see on my bottom right here, it does show me my Wi-Fi network, connection settings. I can always right click on there and I should be able to go ahead and open up my network and internet settings right there. So if for some reason you can't see it, you can also just go straight into your settings like this. You should be able to see your network and internet right here. And all you're going to want to do is go and open it up and you should be able to come into this panel. Now, if for some reason you are able to basically see Wi-Fi connect, full Wi-Fi connections, but for some reason it's not showing properly, aka it's not allowing you to connect, you might just be tapping in the wrong password. So keep that in mind. However, there can be some situations where for some reason your specific adapter or whatever the case is may not actually be working out right here. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up your specific internet settings, and you want to go down until you see your advanced network settings, and all you pretty much want to do is go ahead and find this network troubleshooter. So this is something that I recommend kind of looking at because your situation could be different for every single person out there. So if you go and click on your network situation right here, what it's going to do is it's going to detect exactly what the problem is. So for a lot of people out there, it may be that your adapter is not working right or whatever the case is. So what you can do here is you can go and check what's going on and you can just say the Wi-Fi is not working. Now in my case, the Wi-Fi is working, so I don't even know what's going to show here. But if you have a bad network adapter, if something's not going right there, or whatever the case is, it will basically tell you what the problem is. Now for me, I don't really have an issue, so it's really not going to show anything. So that might be another thing that's causing the issue. Now another thing that you can do is if your PC does allow you to have an Ethernet adapter, what I would probably recommend doing is going through and actually updating your Windows PC. So if you have the ability of either moving your laptop or your PC to a different area where you can get a Wi-Fi connection, or if your laptop has an Ethernet port already on it, I would recommend getting a dongle that supports Ethernet or whatever, manually plugging in your specific adapter to your Ethernet port. And from there, I would recommend going into your system settings and actually going through and updating your specific PC. Because for a lot of people out there, if you're having issues, updating your PC would probably be the best thing I'd recommend doing. And that is probably what I'd recommend doing in this situation as well. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.